Everybody, welcome back to Boomerangs by Vic. Another video for you. I made a can shaker. You might have seen the video a couple weeks ago. I attached one of these cans to my saw blade and it shakes a can. I wanted to make it so I could do two cans at once because there's a lot of stuff that I spray. I'm doing two colors at the same time. And I'd like to be able to shake both cans at the same time. So I bought one of these. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this right down the middle and make two halves so that I can attach both halves, one on each side of this blade. I think what I'm going to do is use the back side right around here and rivet them to the blade. And then once they're attached, I'll be able to just slide the can in, as you can see right here, and they fit very tight. And it should work quite nice, so I'll come back in a sec after I cut this and attach it to the blade. Okay, so here's where I'm at. I took the blade out, and as you can see, I drilled two holes. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach, as you can see, there's holes in this. One on here, and the other one is going to go on the opposite side like this. Okay, so it's going to basically look like this. And I'm going to use this rivet. I'm going to go through one side, and then the other hole I'll go through the other side, and that should hold it on pretty good. So we'll be back after that's done. Okay, so that went very well. As you can see, I did as I said, and I put the rivet both in opposite directions. And now all I need to do is grind off the excess material, and we'll be sliding these back on, and then we'll put her in the saw and see how things go. Okay, so I do have the saw mounted now. This is mounted to a post that goes to my pellet boiler. It's just about at the right height. I even changed the way it clamped on right here, as you can see. I did not even actually need these hose clamps. Just this rubber is snug enough to hold it. So I went ahead and made a clamp to squeeze both of these on, as you can see. So let me put this camera in the mount, and then we'll show you how it all runs. Okay, so I'm going to show you how it works, and I forgot to mention, I put padding behind here to cut down on noise reduction. This is just an old piece of foam flooring I had left over from my daughter's bedroom. So basically all you're going to do is slide the cans down in. I'm going to go all the way into the bottom until they come out the bottom just a little bit. Second can. These cans are about 3/4 full. And then I'll take my rubber band, go around the top, like so. And then that's it. Makes a little bit of noise, so just so you know. That's about as hard as I need to shake them. If you do it any more than that, I'm not even sure if it's actually working correctly, so I think that's just about the right speed. Yeah, so that's about it. I hope everybody enjoyed the video, and maybe it's something you want to build. Okay, catch you later.